Next letter of Hindi alphabet is E. E. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. E. E sounds as I in English words it, sit, hit, etc. Now we will see some words having the letter E. Italy, Italy, Italy. The word is used for Italy. Italy, Italy, Italy. Italy means Italy. Istemal, Istemal means use. Istemal means use. Istemal, Istemal means use. Istemal. Istemal means use. Insaf. Insaf. Insaf means justice. Insaf. Insaf means justice. Insaf. Imarat. Imarat. Imarat means building. Imarat. Imarat. Imarat means building. Indira. Indira. Indra is a name. You have heard the name of Indian Prime Minister, former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Indira. Indira is a name. Indira. Islam. Islam. Islam is the name of a religion. Islam. 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 Ikai. Ikai. Ikai means unit. Ikai. Ikai. Ikai means unit. Ilaj. Ilaj. Ilaj means treatment. Ilaj. Ilaj means treatment. Ilaj. Ilaj, treatment.